So you do the first riff or something, and then I'll jump in?
Yeah, of course we play the Jimi Hendrix version of that.
Oh, boy. This should be exciting. I'm channeling Billie Holiday. Okay. That's good.
There's a difference. Jimi Hendrix.
Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Oh, your daddy's rich and your ma is good looking. But hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings you're gonna rise up singing, and you'll spread your wings and you'll take the sky. But until that morning, never nothing can harm you. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Some solos. Your ma is good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Little baby, don't you cry. Okay. Hush, little baby, don't you Nice. Summertime. I love it. Thank you for that, Prairie Dogs. Diane Ducey and the Prairie Dogs. I like that.
Let's give her another hand. That's Diane Ducey on Summertime. George Gershwin.
We love that. We're just trying to get on the radio.